So here we are, everyone, at the Uxmal pyramids, and we've been to a few different destinations, and now we're at Uxmal, and this is actually one of the main archaeological sites of the Mayan culture. At its heyday, this site had around 15,000 people living here, and the date on this hasn't actually been discovered. They're not too sure when it was, but we do know that it was still in use up until at least 1100 AD when the TOLTEC came in and they took over. We're gonna go up there now and check out the site. So Uxmal is a really large area. This was one of the main sites for Mayan culture and Mayan empire. This is actually kind of like an aqueduct, and there was not too much rainfall. There was a lack of rivers, so they actually created these in order to collect rainwater, and it would go down the tube right there. They would collect it so that they can use it later, and that they can use it to drink and also for agriculture. You can see here the main pyramid in Uxmal, and as you can tell, a lot of this actually has been reconstructed. The concrete there, the filling. So just imagine how this looked like when they first found it and what it took to reconstruct this. So they had to put in some time and energy to get this up to be able to sustain and last longer. Here we are just below this temple right here, and right above the main ground where the main pyramid is. Here is the ball game right here. You can take a look. You can see the hoop. And that's where they would put the ball through. And there's the temple. There's a lot of speculation as to what some of these things were used for, but it seems that this right here could have been a ceremonial area where rituals and rites and different ceremonies were performed before they would have the ball game at the field. This is a huge structure with many different little rooms inside. This ground is huge, and you can see here's another temple right here. Let's go inside. Take a look at the structure and how they would build their roofs. Exploring some of the rooms. And I believe on the other side we'll see actually quarters where they lived. So it looks like this was the living quarters for quite a few different homes. There were other rooms here, and they're no longer in existence. Just this is what's left of them. Meditate and levitate. Waves of frequencies resonate higher. I'm connected with the provider. Source of cosmic energy. We're going to be one single entity. Expansion remedied. Oneness must breathe. Exhale and let free. Consciousness to be. Experiences you and me. Souls of interdimensional beings to feel, hear, and see. This third-dimensional planetary existence, all time can be found in one instance. In this realm of linearity, atoms in anarchy, quantum polarity, the epitome of creation, facing our egos, acquiring patience, waiting to let go of our nations and join the federation of souls that will take us to the fifth world. What is the truth, guys? Did they vanish? Everything is speculation. Everything has been written and rewritten by the victors. All the information has been given to us about who the Mayan were, what they did, what the purpose of these temples were, by the individuals that conquered them, that thought they were savages. That's where the stories come from. The stories about their life come from those who took them over and didn't want anybody to realize their greatness. Does this look like it was created by a bunch of savages? Or does it look like that there was some sort of advanced technology at work here, and that these temples were built for a reason?